Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I will be making beans balls, locally known as Akara. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my beans balls in just 2 easy steps. I'm so happy because I love Akara so much, and especially when it is dried and crispy. So let's go in. So I will show you how I make my very crispy, yummy, golden brown beans balls, popularly known as Akara, and I will be serving it with pap and milk. All right, I'll be using beans flour for my beans balls today. It's quite easy for me to use beans flour, so that's why I'll be using beans flour today. All right, I will just go in and add my already diced fresh pepper, salt. Most people add seasoning in their Akara. Sorry, I don't. I love onion. I love onion in my beans balls. I can't help it. So I'll just stir this in while it's looking like this and add some quantity of water. Stir this in gradually. Stir it in gradually. You don't missing my salt, onion, and diced fresh pepper in there. So there's a time for me to fry this together. I'm so excited. So just take a portion like this and it goes in. You're mixing same parts. So these I'll just go ahead and fry all together. Our beans balls is ready. So you see how attractive this looks. You see how yummy it looks. You can see how crispy and it looks. All right, so I'm so happy. I can't wait to have a bite. I'll be having this with pap. All right, thank you all for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Turn on the notification post so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Please subscribe and do not forget to always keep it real, eat healthy, stay healthy. From me, it's bye and see you next week.